Hey, what is up guys? Today we draw Madara Uchiha. First we sketch on broad paper. Done. Now let's transfer on the sketchbook. To transfer it, use pencil on back of paper. Then use a pen and draw every line again. Done. On let's do the inking. For inking we use micron pens. Finally it's coloring time. For coloring we use alcohol-based markers. Until we finish coloring, let's hear Madara's most epic quote.
Wake up to reality. Nothing ever goes as planned in this accursed world. The longer you live, the more you will realize that the only things that truly exist in this reality are merely pain, suffering, and futility. Listen. Everywhere you look in this world, wherever there is light, there will always be shadows to be found as well. As long as there is a concept of victors, the vanquished will also exist. The selfish intent of wanting to preserve peace initiates wars, and hatred is born in order to protect love. There are nexuses, causal relationships that cannot be separated.
Coloring is done. To make this art pop, let's make the border line thick. Enjoy the reveal. Please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you like it. See you soon. Until next time, peace out.